హే గాయ్స్, ఈరోజు మా తాతయ్య మేము కార్ జీప్ వేసుకుని వెళ్తున్నాము. యాక్చువల్లీ ఈజ్ వెరీ టాలెంటెడ్ అండ్ వెరీ క్రియేటివిటీ నిండుకున్న వ్యక్తి. ఈయన వృత్తిపరంగా ఆయన టీచర్ అయినప్పటికీ కూడా ఆయనలో లలిత కళలు అనేవి నిండుకుని ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ హీఈస్ వెరీ ఎంతూజియస్ట్ to record the vlog and upload in his YouTube channel. Guys, he is having a YouTube channel called as Sudhakar Vlogs, and there you can see a lot of stuff, either food, vlogging, travel and everything. He can upload there, and you all guys see there. And one wish, hope you guys like his videos and like his creative and motive mindset. And today he is having his drive fantasy of Thar. Say hi to your subscribers, Satya.
Hi friends, I run two channels. One is Sudhakar Vlogs, that is for vlogs, travel vlogs, recipe vlogs, food vlogs, etc. And another is Thinkers Room channel, that is for narrates new topics. I will narrate some new topics, and it is very educative, and it is for nerds only.
And there you also you can see a lot of stuff there.
Both channels are very useful channels. Please subscribe my channel, and please subscribe my channel, share, like and put a comment. Thank you friends.